far away.
The mountains rise like echoes in the dawn, whispers of Mayoyao in the early morn. Rice terraces cascade like stairs to the sky. Underneath the summer sun, the fields don't lie. Clear waters flow through hand-built trails. Generations love and every stone prevails. Fog drifts down to kiss the vibrant green. In this timeless dance we're caught in between. Oh Mayoyao, where the mountain-built trails breathe. In every grain of rice there's a story to weave. Hearts in hands sculpted this masterpiece. In the beauty of Ifugao we find our ancient chants that echo through the pines. Voices of the ancestors in the fragrant vines. Hands calloused by the toil of the earth, the spirit in the land, a place of birth. Children's laughter dances with the breeze among the terraced hills and the stately trees. Eagles soar above their shadows thin, tracing the heritage, the depth within. Oh Mayoyao, where the mountain-built trails breathe. In every grain of rice there's a story to weave. Hearts in hands sculpted this masterpiece. In the beauty of Ifugao we find our peace. Oh Mayoyao, where the mountain-built trails breathe. In every grain of rice there's a story to weave. Hearts and hands sculpted this masterpiece. In the beauty of Ifugao we find our peace.